Hi everyone, Shane here at Southeast Motorcycles. Today we have a 2018 FLHTCUTG, the Tri-Glide. And so we're going to give you a quick walk around of this bike, trike, and let you know all the good stuff about it. So, Legend Blue and Vivid Black. This will be an anniversary trike and therefore numbered. So as we come up onto the gas cap, number 711 out of 1900. You do have a 6-gallon tank. They did take away the lock, as they did with most of the bikes in Rushmore 2014. Your comm here for your rider. Really cool pinstriping throughout. And one of my favorite features, this 115th anniversary tank badge. And so we have Milwaukee 8 107 cubic inch motor. Again with your anniversary badging there. 6-speed transmission. It will be twin cooled, so within the lower fairing you're not gonna have any storage here. You're gonna have your water cooled heads. There we can see the long bracket highway pegs or guard mount with the 3-inch pegs. Mini well, you have your floorboards, rear pedal, and then the mini floorboard for your passenger and back. This side cover will reveal the reset switch and your access into the air shock. So coming up, you do have this rear fender bra on both sides. And there are your one of your big rear wheels. The trike's in great shape. Here's your 2-up seat. Does have the blue anniversary stitching. Handrails for the passenger. Now this did have a mount for the passenger, or for the rider backrest installed. A couple tears on this seat, or the backrest rather. Seat's in pretty good condition. There you have your speakers in the back. Couple little blemishes. Again, anniversary graphics. This is your tour pack. 2 security fobs. So the security will be standard. And then coming up the other side, the back, dual exhaust. Access to your trunk, gonna be right here. Can you see inside? So, a good room in there to fit all your belongings. And then you have LEDs underneath the tour pack. This will have stock exhaust. And then coming up the other side. So, relatively low mileage. So the tires are still in good tread depth. There's your comm for the passenger. Okay, and then coming on the other side. And so you do have emergency brakes. So there will be no jiffy stand since this doesn't need to lean. Heel toe shifter. There's your horn cover. Again, a good shot of that gorgeous tank and the badge. And then the lower fairing on the other side. So you do have dual disc brakes. There's your front tire. Fender looks really good. You have Daymaker headlamps and LED passing lamps Batwing fairing looks good. Slipstream vent, taller, clear windshield. So coming around the back of the fairing, so you do have on your switch housing an electric reverse. Okay, so the electric reverse is going to be a separate motor. You do have 5-way directionals for your infotainment system, electric cruise control. This would be for voice activation if you do have a headset with a microphone. Hydraulic clutch on this, slipstream vent, and then you will have premium infotainment system. So as we turn this on, 4,689 miles on this vehicle. You will have touchscreen capability, so as this boots up you can use that, or you also have the other 5-way directional to select and move your cursor around. So I'm going to hit accept, okay, and let's fire this up for you. So on the other switch housing cluster, you have GPS, USB cord that you can plug in your phone. You can sync up your smartphone with the unit. So a gorgeous trike here. If you have any questions, feel free to check out our website, southeastharley.com, or give me a call here at 440-439-5300. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll talk to you real soon. Take care.